Recycling your grey water is a great way to save the environment and reduce your water bill.
Grey water is the used water from your sinks, showers, tubs, washing machines or dishwashers. It may contain traces of dirt, food, grease or household cleaning products, but it's still a safe and great supply of irrigation water for your garden.
And the easiest way to use grey water is to divert it outside directly from the source.
Nylex has a range of products that can help with these simple grey water diversion systems, and they're easy enough to set up yourself. You'll need a dispersion hose, an adapter to connect it to the source's outlet pipe, and a dispersion hose. Grey water diversion systems can be set up from dishwashers and showers.
But washing machines are the most common sources.
Simply connect the diversion hose to your source. Add a dispersion hose and position it into your garden. These small holes in the dispersion hose help to distribute the water out evenly and prevent pools of grey water forming. You can put the dispersion hose on lawns, around fruit trees or in garden beds and move it around depending on your plant's water needs.
And finally, here are some tips to consider when using grey water. Make sure that your household detergents and cleaning products are grey water safe. And don't store grey water, otherwise harmful bacteria may form. Instead, use a dispersion hose in your garden to prevent pooling. And if you don't like the look of the hose in your garden, you can cover it with mulch. And yes, grey water can be used to irrigate veggies. Just make sure that it doesn't touch the edible parts of your crop.